All right, you guys, not a good day today. I'm actually mad at myself. So I was on TradingView and I was apparently paper trading, and I got in on my entry perfectly at the change in state. Then I realized I was paper trading, went to trade of 8, got in, and I was like 20 points up. But I'll bring you guys through the trade. I went break even, and then price absolutely ran to my take profit, or where I would have passed my funded and I would have gotten out. Hasn't hit my full TP yet, but I would have gotten fully out just because I would have passed my funded at that point. But yeah, I'll bring you guys through the trade, and yeah, let's get into it. All right, so really simple. Today was CPI, so we had data highs and data lows right here. What happened was, this is a very clear model. This is like pre-market, but I wasn't on the chart at that time, so I wouldn't have taken it. But it would have been a very good trade. It would have been right here. I had my change in state, SMT at that high, and then I would have targeted data lows. Boom, would have been a good trade. And then what happened was, we opened and manipulated it down, took out this data low, and then we had an SMT right here. So what happened was, ES had taken this high. We had started to displace down, show rejections, and then we manipulated market open, and we held inside of this 15-minute fair value gap right here, but took out data lows. And now I was looking for an SMT, right? Because now we took data highs on ES, we took data lows on NQ, we have this SMT. Now I want to see my inverse fair value gap change in state. What happened? 3-minute, oh wait, nope, 2-minute. 2-minute inverse fair value gaps, change in state right here, and I get in off of this 2-minute retest right here. And I get in, and then I realize, okay, I'm paper trading. So I'm like, wow, this is amazing. So now I have to go to trade of 8 and get in. And I got in right around here, I believe. Or like, it was somewhere around here. Yeah, so I got on like right here, and then I went break even. Yeah, so this exactly happened. So right here, we had came up. So I got in right here, and I was like, oh my God, I have a late entry. But what happened was, I'm like, okay, if we tap this high right here, because this was a 5-minute high, and this 5-minute fair value gap, but we were already inside of a 15-minute fair value gap at that time. I was like, I'm just going to go break even at this high. I know it's nothing, but I was like, I want to go break even just because that was my original break even, and that was not a bad break even for this level right here. And we still would have been in the trade. So what happened was, I got in right here, and then price had taken out this high and then immediately stopped me out at break even, and then we ran, and my level right here, if I would have gotten in right here, I would have been passed around like right here. So I would have made like 1200 right here, and I would have passed. But yeah, that is my trade for the day. Not a good trade. I mean, it was a very good trade, but I'm just super mad that I was logged into paper trading instead of trading view or trade of 8. But yeah, I mean, although hindsight, like this low is not the best higher time frame low that we could have had an SMT off of. But it was still an SMT. We had taken out data lows. Now I'm reaching for data highs. NQ had still not taken them out yet. And we had these equal highs right here. Partials right here. We took partials, break even, and then I got stopped out. But yeah, I still think this trade might play out, but we might get stopped out right here. But I think overall it might run. But yeah, man, that's the trade for the day. Not mad, but I'm not mad at the trade itself, but I'm mad at my entry just because I was like 20 ticks above my original entry, and that's when I got stopped out. But yeah, we have higher time from SMT. Data lows have been hit. SMT, inverse fair value gap change in state, break even, buy side level right here, and then data high right there. So that's the trade for the day. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yesterday was also a break even day, so see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.